Hey everyone, ever wonder how to make sure your emails from Salesforce actually land in the inbox and not the spam folder? It's all about email authentication, and today we're diving into the essential trio: DMARC, DKIM, and SPF for your Salesforce account. This isn't just a nice to have. If you're sending emails through Salesforce for sales, service, or marketing, authenticating your domain is absolutely crucial for deliverability and protecting your brand. Ready to boost your email game? Let's go! First things first, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, head up to the quick settings. Then, click on Advanced Setup. That's your gateway to all the admin magic. On the left, under Email, you will find DKIM keys. On the DKIM keys page, you'll see a button that says Create New Key. Go ahead and click that. Here's where we generate our keys. I always recommend going with the 2048-bit key size for stronger security, if your DNS provider supports it. For the selector fields, you'll enter unique names, like Key 1 for Selector 1 and Key 2 for the alternate selector. These act as identifiers for your keys. And for the domain, make sure you use the exact email domain you'll be sending from. For this example, we'll use dmarctest1.com. Once all that's filled in, hit Save. Now, Salesforce has done its part. It gives you two crucial places of information: the hostname and the value for a CNAME record. You'll have one set for Key 1 and another for Key 2. Copy both of these. These are what we'll paste into your DNS provider. Alright, heading over to your DNS provider, in my case, Namecheap. Find the Advanced DNS section for your domain. We're going to add new CNAME records here. For the first record, choose CNAME record. Then, paste the hostname from Salesforce into the host field and the value field. Repeat this exact process for the second CNAME record from Salesforce. Once both are added, save your changes in your DNS provider. Then, hop back over to Salesforce and reload the page. It can take a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate, but once Salesforce detects them, the Activate button for your DKIM key will light up. You can now click Activate. Boom! Your DKIM key is now active. That's a huge step for email authentication. Now, if you thought we were done, not so fast. While DKIM is great for truly robust email authentication and spoofing protection, you absolutely need SPF and DMARC too. Salesforce doesn't automatically provide these records for you, so we'll add them ourselves using PowerDMARC's free tools. For SPF, which tells the world who's authorized to send emails on your behalf, we need to include Salesforce SPF mechanism. For Salesforce, it will look like this. Remember, if you already have an SPF record, you just need to add it with include. I don't have one, so I need to create a new SPF record. I'm going to PowerDMARC's SPF generator, which is also available on your website for free. I'll paste the entry provided by Salesforce into the third-party services section. Choose the alignment mode, then click Generate SPF record. Copy the resulting SPF record, it's a TXT record, and paste it into your DNS provider, just like we did with the CNAME for DKIM. Next up, DMARC. This ties SPF and DKIM together and tells recipient servers what to do if an email fails authentication. I'll use PowerDMARC's DMARC generator. Here we need to choose the DMARC policy. For starting out, I always recommend a none policy. This puts DMARC in monitoring mode, meaning it won't block emails yet, but it will send you reports. This is crucial for seeing exactly what's happening with your email flow without impacting legitimate mail. But remember, this phase shouldn't last long. A week would be enough. Then you should change it to quarantine or reject. You can add an email address here to receive those valuable DMARC reports, or leave PowerDMARC's address so you'll see all the reports in human-readable form in the app. Now click Generate. Again, copy the generated host and value for this TXT record and add it to your DNS. Once all these new records are added, make sure you save the changes in your DNS provider. Now for the moment of truth. To verify everything, I'll use PowerDMARC's Domain Health Check tool. Just enter your domain and it'll scan your records. You can see SPF and DKIM are looking good and valid. DKIM shows invalid at the moment, since the records were recently added to the DNS. Once your account receives XML reports, DKIM should start to show up as valid. In this case, to verify the DKIM, we would need to input the key manually to check if the record exists. So I'll jump to the dedicated DKIM checker tool to verify. And yeah, it's all set up and valid now. And that's it. You've successfully configured DMARC, DKIM, and SPF for your Salesforce account. Give yourself a pat on the back. Your emails are now authenticated, more likely to receive the inbox, and your domain is better protected against impersonation. Congratulations! Got questions or need more help? Drop a comment below or check the links in the description for more resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more email security tips. See you next time.